This is Dazzler, and she's listed as a spayed female, 1-year-old. She only weighs 6 3/4 pounds. My baby, she's just a little bit shy. She's not sure where she's at, what's going on. She came in as a stray on July 22nd. Come on, baby. It's okay. Yeah. She's a good girl. Pretty Dazzler. A very neat mark on her head.